Hello there. If you want to turn on incognito or private browsing on Safari so it doesn't save your browsing history or data, let's go ahead and see how to use and switch between them on your iPhone 16 running on the latest iOS. Now before we go, we recommend you to just visit your settings, scroll down for screen time, scroll down for content and privacy restrictions, to App Store Media, Web and Games, enter the web content settings, make sure it's selected to unrestricted, because otherwise you won't be able to use private browsing. Now let's go ahead and open up Safari. Tap on these tab buttons and then simply tap on private and then to private once again. And in the search bar, enter the web address and then you can just go ahead browse privately wherever you want. Now when you are on private browsing, if you tap on this tab and from there to this plus icon, as you can see, you can open as much tab on private browsing and then browse different sites in each of these tabs all at once. Now apart from this, if you tap on this tab once again to these horizontal lines, now as you can see, you can switch between private and your regular browsers. And lastly, once again, if you tap on this tab, go to your private browser, you can access all your open tabs and you can also dissolve all the tabs that you've opened on this incognito mode. And that's pretty much how to use private browsing on Safari on your iPhone 16. Thanks for watching.